Good morning, children. Hope you are doing good. Today, we are going to revise our next unit 5 landforms. In this picture, we can see fields, houses, trees, stones, and dry lands around our houses. We see more features like this on our earth. Now, children, let us discuss where would we see more hills on earth? Yes, mountains. Where we see wild animals with more trees? Forest. Where does the paddy grow? Yes, agricultural land. Where would we see the seashore? Yes, sea, beach. What is the name of useless land? Fallow land. Children, do you know what is landform? The places we see on the surface of Earth is called landforms. In the solar family, Earth is the third planet. The Earth is surrounded by five elements: land, water, air, fire, and sky. Earth has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. The Earth is surrounded by three spheres such as land, water, and air. Now, children, we will see the physical features of land. There are five types: mountain, forest, plain, seashore, and dry land. So, children, mountain, forest, plain, seashore, and dry land are the physical features of land. Next, we will see the landforms of Tamil Nadu. The five types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of work done by the people. The landforms are said as thinais. Out of five thinais, only four types were permanent. They were Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, and Neithal. The fifth land, Palai, was formed when Kurinji and Mullai dried up. Now, students, we will see each thinais and its theme. First one is mountain, Kurinji land. The mountain is large surroundings with peaks. That is, a mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding lands with peaks. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. Next, we are going to see the theme of Kurinji land, that is the god, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, musical instrument that are seen and used in Kurinji land. The people of Kurinji land was called as Kuravar and Kuratiyar. The musical instrument used by Kurinji people is Kurinjiyal. They worship the god Lord Murugan. The plant grown in Kurinji land is bamboo. The main occupation of Kurinji people is gathering honey and roots and hunting. These peoples are master in martial arts. The soldiers are known as Porupan. The leader of tribe is Verupan. Master of martial arts are known as Silamban. The animals seen in Kurinji land are monkey and deer. The birds seen are peacock and parrot. The land of Kurinji was composed of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. So, children, the land of Kurinji was composed of red and black soil with stones and pebbles. The flower found in Kurinji land is Kurinji flower. The Kurinji flower blossoms once in 12 years. It grows in Western Ghats at the month of July to September. It has many medicinal values. So, children, Kurinji flower blossoms once in 12 years. Next landform is Mullai land. A large area covered by trees is called forest. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Children, why it is called Sembulam? Due to the presence of red soil. The people of Mullai was called as Idayar, Idachiyar, Ayar and Achiyar. The musical instrument used by the Mullai people was Mullaiyad. They worshipped the god Thirumal. The plant found in Mullai land was Goa. So children, the musical instrument used by the Mullai people was Mullaiyad. The main occupation of Mullai people was cattle rearing, gathering fruits and sowing millets. The Idayar people were milk seller and Ayar were cattle rearer. Now students, we will see the different forest in Tamil Nadu. Mangrove forest is seen in Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Malai forest is in Nilgiris district. Reserve forest is in Kanyakumari district. Shola forest in Coimbatore and Nilgiris district. They also manufactured products like paper using bamboo tree, safety mat sticks with mull ilavu trees, fragrance oil with sandal tree, balm and soap with neem and pungam trees. The animals and birds seen in Mullai land were bear, rabbit and parrot. The land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. So children, the people of Mullai was called as Idayar, Idachiyar, Ayar and Achiyar. The musical instrument used by them are Mullaiyad. They worshipped the god Thirumal. The land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. Now children, we will see one of the important forest, that is Pichavaram forest. It is near Chidambaram in Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu. It is the second largest mangrove forest in India. The aquatic animals live in the moist temperature. The third landform is Marudam land. The flat land on the earth with crop field and their surroundings are known as Marudam. It is also called agricultural land. The theme of Marudam land. The people of Marudam land was called as Ulavar and Ulathiyar. The musical instrument used by Marudam land people was Maruda Yal. They worshipped the god Lord Indiran. The plant is kanji. The main occupation of Marudam people is farming. The animal seen in Marudam land is buffalo. The flower is lotus and the bird is crane. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. So children, the people of Marudam land was called as Ulavar and Ulathiyar. The musical instrument used by them were Maruda Yal. Now we can see the Kallanai Dam picture. It is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. It is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. So children, Kallanai Dam is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. The next landform is seashore or Netherland. The salty water body that covers a large part of the surface of the earth is called sea. The sea and area around the sea is called Nether. The people of Netherland was called Parathavar. They worshipped the god Lord Varunan. The musical instrument used by Nethal people were Villari Yazha. The plant grown in Netherland was Punnai. The main occupation of Netherland people was fishing. The flower seen in Netherland was Sengandal. The animal was fish and the bird was seagull or sea crow. The soil of Netherland is made of saline soil. So children, the people of Netherland was called Parathavar. They worshipped the god Varunan. The musical instrument used by them are Villari Yazha. Now we will see the second longest beach in the world. It is Marina Beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It runs to Fort St. George in north to Foreshore Estate. Its total distance is 13 km. The beach is situated in eastern side of India along the Bay of Bengal. So children, the second longest beach in the world is Marina Beach. The last landform is dry land or Palay land. A dry region with less or without rainfall is called a dry land. The sandy land which undergoes drought is called Palay. When Kurunji and Mullai dries up, Palay land is formed. So children, how is Palay land formed? When Kurunji and Mullai dries up, Palay land is formed. The people of Palay land was called Enar and Echiyar. They worshipped god Kotravai, that is mother goddess. The main occupation of Palay people was cattle lifting. The musical instrument used is Palay Yal. The flower seen in Palay land was cactus or Palay. The animal seen in Palay land is tiger and elephant. The bird eagle is seen in Palay land. The plant is Uringai. The land of Palay is sandy and saline. Now children, we will see a quick recap of this unit. The five Thinais were Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palay. The mountain and mountainous area were called Kurunji land. They worshipped the god Lord Murugan. The people of Kurunji land were known as Kuravar and Kuratiyar. The main occupation were hunting and honey gathering. Next is Mullai land. The forest and forest areas were called as Mullai land. So children, the forest and forest areas are called Mullai land. They worshipped the god Lord Thirumal. The people were called Ayar and Achiyar. The main occupation of Mullai land people were cattle rearing. Next is Mardam land. The plain and crop fields were known as Mardam land. They worshipped the god Indiran. The people were known as Uravar and Urathiyar. The main occupation of Mardam land people were agricultural. The next landform or Thinai is Neithal land. The sea and area around the sea is called Neithal land. That is, coastal region is known as Neithal land. They worship the god Varunan, the rain of god. The people were called as Paratavar. The main occupation of Neithal land people is fishing or salt making. The last one is Palay land. It is also known as dry land. The sandy land which undergoes drought is called Palay. When Kurunji and Mullai dries up, it is called Palay. They worshipped the goddess Kotravai or Kali. The people were known as Maravar or Marathiyar. Alright children, let's evaluate what we have learned in this unit. The vast flat land on the earth is called dash. Plain. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. Next question. The sea and the area around the sea is called dash. The sea and the area around the sea is called Netherland. Dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Mangrove. Mangrove forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Name the 5 types of landforms in Sangam age. Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palai were the 5 types of landforms in Sangam age. Next question. How the Palai or dry land is formed? The Palai was formed when Kurinji and Mullai dried up. Last question. What do you know about Sembulam? The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called as Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Thank you, children. Hope you understood what we revised in this unit. Bye bye.